Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be diving into the top 5 best battery string trimmers currently available on the market. Whether you're looking for efficiency, ease of use, or just the best bang for your buck, we've got you covered. All the product links can be found in the description below. So, let's get started with the countdown. At number 5, we have the DeWalt 20V Max XR string trimmer. Known for its rugged build and professional-grade performance, this trimmer is perfect for those who need durability and power in one package. With its 14-inch cutting width, the DeWalt provides a wide swath for efficient trimming, making it ideal for larger yards or tackling thick brush. The folding hinge design is a standout feature, allowing you to store it in compact spaces without compromising its structural integrity. When it comes to performance, this trimmer offers a variable speed trigger and a high-low speed control switch, giving you the flexibility to balance power and runtime. The quick-load spool system makes replacing the line a breeze, cutting down on downtime. However, the motor speed is capped at 6,000 RPM, which is slightly lower compared to other models on this list, making it less suitable for extremely tough or dense vegetation. While the DeWalt unit is sold as a tool-only option, it's a fantastic choice for those already invested in the DeWalt 20V Max battery ecosystem. It's a bit heavier at 9.13 pounds, so it might not be the best for extended use. Overall, this is a reliable, no-nonsense trimmer that's perfect for those who value durability and ease of use. Pros include its robust build, wide cutting path, and easy line replacement system. On the downside, it requires a separate battery purchase and is heavier than some competitors. Coming in at number 4 is the MZK 20V12 cordless string trimmer. This trimmer is a lightweight and ergonomic option built for comfort and ease of use. Weighing just 6.3 pounds, it's one of the lightest trimmers on our list, making it an excellent choice for those who prioritize maneuverability. The adjustable handle and automatic line feed system further enhance its usability, allowing you to focus on your trimming tasks without constant manual adjustments. The MZK features a 12-inch cutting diameter and a motor that runs at 8,000 RPM, striking a great balance between speed and coverage. It's ideal for small to medium-sized yards, offering enough power for typical household lawn care. The inclusion of 8 replacement spools is a thoughtful touch, ensuring you won't run out of line anytime soon. However, it's worth noting that this trimmer is not designed for heavy-duty tasks like cutting through thick brush or dense weeds. In terms of value, the MZK trimmer is a fantastic option for homeowners looking for a reliable, no-frills tool. It's not the most powerful on the list, but it makes up for it with user-friendly features and a lightweight design. Pros include its ease of handling, additional spools, and solid performance for its size. On the downside, it may struggle with tougher cutting tasks and doesn't offer as many premium features as some higher-ranked options. Our number 3 pick is the LPS UK 20V cordless string trimmer, a versatile and adjustable tool designed with comfort and efficiency in mind. This trimmer features a 2-in-1 design, allowing you to switch between trimming and edging with the push of a button. The 12-inch cutting diameter, combined with a powerful 8,000 RPM motor, makes it a solid choice for general yard maintenance, delivering clean and precise cuts. One of the highlights of this trimmer is its adjustable telescopic shaft, which ranges from 38 to 49 inches, catering to users of all heights. The 60-degree adjustable head and 180-degree handle further enhance its ergonomic design, making it easy to handle in various positions and angles. The inclusion of 2 2.0 amp-hour batteries and a fast charger ensures you'll have ample runtime to finish your tasks in one go. Plus, the auto-line feed system eliminates the hassle of manual adjustments, providing a seamless trimming experience. While the LPS UK trimmer excels in usability and convenience, it may not be the best option for heavy-duty tasks, as it's optimized for residential use. Pros include its versatility, adjustable design, and dual battery system. On the downside, the build quality is slightly less robust compared to premium models, and it might struggle with thicker vegetation. Overall, It's an excellent choice for homeowners seeking an efficient and user-friendly trimmer. Taking the second spot is the Sunchers 20V 12-inch cordless string trimmer, a high-performance option designed for tackling tougher lawn care tasks. This trimmer is equipped with a powerful 9,500 RPM motor, making it the most powerful unit on this list. It's capable of handling thicker grass and wild weeds, making it a great choice for yards with more challenging terrain. The Sunchers trimmer includes two 4.0 amp batteries, delivering over 60 minutes of runtime on a full charge. This extended operation time ensures you won't need to pause mid-task to recharge. The telescopic shaft, which adjusts from 45 to 51 inches, and the 90-degree rotating shaft allow for maximum flexibility and comfort during use. It also features a foldable design for easy storage and comes with 8 replacement lines for long-term maintenance. While the Sunchers trimmer is packed with features, its higher weight of 9.04 pounds might make it less comfortable for prolonged use. Additionally, the build quality, while solid, may not feel as premium as some competitors. Pros include its powerful motor, long runtime, and versatile design. On the downside, it's slightly heavier and less ergonomic compared to lighter models. Overall, this is a fantastic option for those who need a high-performance trimmer for more demanding tasks. Finally, at the top of our list is the Works GT 3.0 20V PowerShare 12-inch edger and weed trimmer. This trimmer offers the perfect balance of performance, usability, and value, making it a standout choice for homeowners. The 2-in-1 design allows you to easily switch between trimming and edging, while the 90-degree tilting head ensures you can reach even the toughest spots. With rubberized wheels, this tool provides excellent stability, giving you straighter lines and cleaner cuts. The Works GT 3.0 is powered by two 20V max lithium batteries, which are compatible with the entire Works PowerShare family of tools. This versatility is a major plus for anyone already using Works products. The innovative command feed spool system allows for instant line feeding at the push of a button, enhancing efficiency during use. Weighing just 5.3 pounds, this trimmer is the lightest on our list, making it incredibly easy to handle for extended periods. While it's not the most powerful trimmer on the market, the Works GT 3.0 excels in user-friendly features and overall reliability. Pros include its lightweight design, easy maneuverability, and compatibility with other Works tools. On the downside, it's not ideal for heavy-duty tasks or dense vegetation. However, for typical residential lawn care, this trimmer is hard to beat. At $99.99, it offers exceptional value, earning its spot as our #1 pick. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect battery string trimmer for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews. Have any questions about the products we covered? Drop a comment below, and I'll make sure to get back to you. See you in the next video.